a plus b squared minus 4 times the quantity, 3 squared plus a. Let's evaluate our expression by using the substitution principle to begin with. Our a's are going to be 2, so we're going to have 2 plus the b's are going to be 3. So I have the a term is now a 2, the b term is a 3. But I'm going to copy all the symbols that I'm not quite using yet. 3 squared plus, I have a letter, so I look over here to my chart and I have 2. Now I've got a couple wild cards in here, so those are done first. We have, we can simplify this value, 2 plus 3, so that's going to be a 5, and then we'll just drop our square. And in this section, we can't evaluate this yet like we could drop those because there's a powers in here. So the first step is to work our powers, and that's going to be 3 squared is 9, and then we're going to go plus 2. Coming back, at this point, this parenthesis is the wild card right here. So 9 plus 2 is 11, and copy. Now it shifts over here to the 5 squared. We're going to get 25 out of that, use our powers up, minus. There's a single number inside these parentheses, so that means that this pair of parentheses is actually a multiplication. So 4 times 11 is 44. Now we have 25, a positive 25, and a negative 44. Now we're bringing in our rules for positive and negative. So we had order of operations, we had substitution principle, and now we've got order of positive and negative to worry about too. All right, so are the signs the same? No. So that means we're going to subtract the problem. We're going to subtract the numbers. It might be easier to stack these, but we keep the sign with them when we do. So the signs are different. That means we're going to SUB the numbers. So let's regroup. 14 take away 5 is 9. 3 take away 2 is 1. So our numeral answer is 19. Now we're going to look back at the larger numeral. I'm not saying that the value of this number. I'm saying just what is 44 a bigger or smaller number than 25? 44 is. So we're going to copy that sign. The textbooks have a slightly different way of saying that to you. They talk about the positive or the absolute value of both of the numbers. But I have found that it's kind of confusing if you realize that we're looking only at the numerals themselves, because the value of a negative 44 is really quite far away from a positive 25. If we had our number line, 25 would be on the positive side of the number line, and the negative 44 would be quite far down this way into the negative. So the larger value number is 25, but that's not what I'm saying. I'm asking you to look at the numeral itself. And 44 is a bigger number than 25. Just don't think about the signs right now. And then we're going to copy the sign of the larger number, and that's why the 19 is negative.